Hi guys, it's Bridget. Um, I really wanted to sing today, so I decided to attempt to sing Whitney Houston, "I Will Always Love You." I'm not sure how it's gonna sound, but I'm gonna try. Okay, all right, let's go. If I should stay, I would only be in your way, so I'll go. But I know I'll think of you every step of the way, and I will always love you, will always love you, you, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need, and I will always love you, will always love you. I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness, but above all this, I wish you love, and I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just give me feedback, tell me what you think. Oh, and like my Facebook page, Bree, a girl chasing a dream. Yeah, so I'll see you guys another time. Thank you for watching.